Assalamu alaikum, dear fellows. How are you? How are you? How are you? In this video, we are going to learn how to download our WAMP server, how to download our text editor, and also we are going to learn how to create index file and access our root directory open in our browser. First of all, we are going to download our WAMP server. Let's start. Go to the WAMP server. WAMP server download. Open this. After that, go to download link. My system is 64-bit. Click download directly. After that, download will start shortly automatically. Okay. Its size is 517 MB. It takes some more time. With this, we are going to download our text editor. I prefer the Sublime text editor website, and after that we download our editor. I use Sublime. You can use as you want. After download and install, we will learn how to install Emmet plugin for our text editor. Let's start. Now go to the Sublime text editor 3. Download Sublime. Go to the website. After that, click on Windows 64 and download. It takes some of time. Sorry for disturbance. It's done. Open directly and then click yes. After that, it's our root. Click next, install. It's installed. Click finish. After that, we are going to check Sublime text. It's our editor. Click on file and then First go to the package control, install package control. Install. Okay, then go to the install package. Its arrow move to and fro. It's mean installing package. After that we emit installs emit. Check it. It's installing. After package control message, it's mean package installed successfully. After that we can check it. Just we'll save a file. It's demo file, demo.it. Good. It's mean our emit plugin installed successfully. The advantage of this plugin, we use just shortcut and press tab button. When we press tab button, then code automatically inserted, just like td tr1 tr having 3 td multiply 3 plus 4. It's inserted. If we put